So you're thinking of becoming a Halo Angel. Great. It's great fun, but there are some statistics that you really should know about. And these statistics are available in the report Signing with the Angels, produced by Nesta and the British Business Angels Association. But let me summarize them for you. And I should warn you, some of them are a little bit scary. 56% of all the UK angel investments don't work out. In other words, they return no money or less money than you put in. And in fact, the amount of time it takes to put your money into a company and get it back if you're going to is about 6 years. However, the amount of time it takes to put your money into a company and lose it is only 3 years. Very scary, as I said. But there is an upside to this. And that same report shows that the average IRR, if you like, the equivalent of the annual interest from a bank, is 22% per annum, is what, on average, UK angels earn. So even taking into account all of the losses, that's what they earn. And that's before tax, and the tax regime is very, very generous. Whenever you look at it in a little bit more detail, what the statistics show is that if you invest in one or two companies, statistically, you're likely to lose. So you should invest in about 10, and clearly you need to do that with other people. But if you invest in around 10, then perhaps 6 will not do well or lose the money, 2 or 3 will return a little bit of money, and 1 or 2 can do very, very well. In fact, the statistics show that 9% of the angel investments return 10 times the money or more. So you can see that you've got this graph which is very skewed to a relatively small number of very, very good winners. Another question people ask is, well, how much time should I spend with the companies? And there is a truism that angels add a lot more than just money to companies. There are other statistics which show that the optimum amount of time to spend with a company you've invested in is about 2 days a month. And that means that if you invest in 10 companies and you do 2 days a month, that's a job, which I suspect is what you don't want. So that's why you need to work in groupings or syndicates with others, and that's the subject of another of our videos.